Assalamu alaikum, ladies children. So here we meet again. Today our topic would be Achal. Boys and girls, we have worked with the recitation, we have worked with the questions and answers, some of the words and the meanings. So when we learn the meanings of different words that we haven't heard before, it's only fair that we work out those words to remember them very well. So how can we remember the new learned words? Is only learning the meaning enough? Of course not, children. We need to make some sentences with those new words as well. Here in page number 42, in page 42, you'll get to see an exercise given where you work on only the sentences with the new words. So let's not waste any more time and let's try out exercise 4 from page 42. By following the books, boys and girls, you will see that when you found the words above, use them in sentences of your own. This exercise is actually related to exercise 3. And we have done exercise 3. I have sent you the soft copies as well. So you won't have any trouble finding out the words. The words are mother, iwi, wing, dew, night, and sleeping place. The 6 words are right given here in exercise 3. We have found the words, now we will use them by making sentences each. Let's try it out. The first one was mother. Let's put down numbers for those words. Mother. Try out, let's make a sentence with it. Obviously, the sentences that I made will be an example. So you can take them and write them and learn them in your homework and classroom copies, of course. But yes, you can make new sentences of your own. You can, of course, make new sentences. So here comes the first word, mother. I'm putting the sentence very simply. There you go. I love my mother very much. The sentence is very simple. You can make different kinds of sentences, but yes, try to keep the sentences as simple as possible. The next word is ewe, which was being pronounced in the poem as ewe, the careful ewe. We know it's a female lamb that we basically call ewe. So here goes the sentence with it. The mother ewe is looking after the lambkins. Check this sentence out. I took it directly from the poem idea, the theme. The mother ewe is looking after the lambkins. Very simple sentence. You can also make your sentences of your own. Let's try out the third. The third talks about the word wing. Wing. Let's make a simpler sentence with it. Birds have wings. Birds have wings in order to fly. A simple sentence, right then and there. You can also make newer sentences of your own. You can make sentence according to the context of the poem. You can make sentences differently out of your own creativity. Here comes the fourth, dew. Dew, the snowflakes that melts during the morning on the surface of the leaves, the flowers. It looks really beautiful and it glitters and shines under the sun. Very, very early in the morning you get to see the dews. So people like seeing dews. It looks natural, it looks very pleasant. We can make a sentence like that. making a sentence. Father likes the morning dew when he goes for a walk. People wake up really early in the morning, and it's a very good natural physical exercise to go out for a walk or jog in the morning. So people would see dew when they go through a garden or maybe a place where there are lots of trees and plants, and they would see the morning dew, and it would look really, really beautiful. So here goes the sentence. Father likes the morning dew when he goes for a walk. Let's move on to the next word. Number E, which is talking about night. Well, we can make a lot of sentences with night. I'll try to make an interesting one. The moonlit sky looks brighter There you go. During the night, it's obvious the sky will be dark, you won't be able to see anything. Everybody knows that. But during the moonlit sky, it looks a bit brighter than normal nights. So here you go. The moonlit sky looks brighter than other night skies. You get to see the stars, you get to see constellations, so it's much brighter comparably to the other night skies. The moonlit sky, when people goes out for a walk, and it looks quite pleasant. So here we go with the word night. The final word for us today is the sleeping place. Sleeping place, okay? So it means that a person might be looking for a place to sleep. Maybe a person doesn't have a place to sleep. Let's make a sentence with that. I'm writing in the context of a homeless man. The homeless man was looking for a sleeping place. Check this out. This sentence is quite interesting. Do you know what a homeless man is? A homeless man who doesn't have a home, who doesn't have a place to live. You know, probably he's quite poor or lost his home for other reasons. So the homeless man was looking for a sleeping place. Simple sentence. There you go with the make sentences. I'm going to just discuss with one of the homeworks because you can do it yourself. It's quite fun. Discuss and write. The exercise right after exercise D. It says, make a list of animals, small and large. Then talk about how the adults look after the young. So you can draw a picture of an animal, the adult animal, and then draw a picture of a baby animal of the same kind, and then you may color it. So your homework will be like this. It's from a chill. Learn the MS. You do remember MS means make sentences, right? Taught me in class. So learn the MS and draw a picture of an animal, adult, and baby, and color it. You can find the references from page 42, exercise D2. It says that you're going to have to draw a picture of an adult animal and a baby animal of the same kind, and you color it. Okay? So this will be an interesting homework for you, and you must learn the make sentences. So I hope the classes come in importance and useful for you. We will see each other inshallah in the next class. Assalamu alaikum.